spring, and everybody, people from all over Georgia, are coming to this place, walking up there from this village. From the village is called Leta, and there is a secret. They are making they are killing animals for the name of God, and there is a kind of secret. In the yard of this church, there is a chain, very heavy chain, and you have to put it on your shoulders and go around the church 3 times. And if you can do it, and if you did it, like they say, your wishes will come true. I haven't tried, so I don't know is it true or no. And by the way, I just remembered that I told you that I will tell you a story about Tbilisi, which is in Treta, and I forgot. But I will tell you a story about it now. So now you can see the 2 buildings. This side? So this Tbilisi. In the same time when Saint Nina brought Christianity in Georgia in 4th century, and the king was Biryan, she asked him to build a church in the capital of Georgia, and he did it. And there were trees, a lot of trees, kind of forest, and they started to cut the trees to build their church. And when they reached one of the trees, by one legend, they cut this tree, but Holy Spirit came and picked up this tree, and it was in the air, hanging in the air. And the second one tells us that when they smashed the axe in it, Saint Miron came out of this tree. And that's why they left this tree alone.